Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a spooky mummy? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so to start off, we're going to draw a circle for the head. Okay, and you can draw the shoulders, so the arm is extended, and you can just bring it down. And then the other side, we're going to try to make it a spooky mummy. Okay, and 2 lines down, part of the body, and then the legs. 1 line down and then curl it, then up, and then we can do the same, 1 line down, curl it, and bring it up. Okay, so for the wrapping, so it's actually made of linen. I'm going to use a thin Sharpie, and I'm just going to randomly draw lines across. And I'm going to draw 1 line here. And then in the middle, I'm going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then continue the lines all the way across. And then again here. So just randomly draw lines. And I'm going to continue. And then across here. Okay. So again, I'm just going to continue this part as well. And if you want, you can just do some lines going the opposite way. Okay, just to make the wrapping a little more interesting. And if you want as well, you could have some of it dangling. Maybe we can have one here dangling as well. It's a bit loose. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna shade it in with gray just along the lines. So mummies were made to last forever. The ancient Egyptians believed in life after death, and they wanted to preserve the body. They believed that it would help the soul live forever. So they would mummify the body so that it would last to eternity. It took a long time to do. They used special technology to dry out the body. They removed the organs and they wrapped it up. They wrapped the body up in layers of cloth to keep it from decaying. And the organs were placed in jars. So the mummies were also buried with their belongings. So like they would bury, their favorite things like, clothes and jewelry. The mummy wrapping actually took hundreds of yards of linen, sometimes up to 375 yards, as long as 3 football fields. That's a lot. These strips were soaked in resin to keep them stiff and secure. And they also mummified animals that belonged to their owners. So many Egyptian mummies are over 3,000 years old. Okay, that's a long, long time. All right, so before I go, I want to share a cute joke. What music do mummies listen to? Rap. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Ooh.